Today, let's talk about something important: money. It affects everything: your choices, your future, your peace of mind. Yet so many people struggle with it. They work hard, they try their best, but somehow they're always broke. Why? Because they keep making the same deadly financial mistakes. Mistakes that slowly, silently destroy their future. If you're not careful, these mistakes will trap you in a cycle of stress, debt, and regret. So today, let's talk about the 3 biggest financial mistakes that are keeping you broke, and more importantly, how to break free. 1. Spending more than you earn. Sounds simple, right? Yet, so many people fall into this trap. They make $3,000 a month, but their expenses, $3,500. And what happens next? Debt, credit cards, loans, borrowing from friends. At first, it seems small, but over time, it grows. It drains you. It steals your freedom. Listen, if you don't control your spending will control you. Stop buying things just to impress people. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, learn to live below your means. It's not about being cheap. It's about being smart. Because financial freedom starts with discipline. 2. Not saving and investing early. Most people say, "I'll start saving when I make more money." But guess what? That day never comes. Because as income increases, spending increases too. And before they know it, they have nothing left to save. Listen, the best time to start saving was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Even if it's small, start now. Put money aside. Let it grow. Because the sooner you start, the more time your money has to work for you. And one day, that small habit will change your life. 3. Ignoring financial education. Here's the truth. Most people know how to make money, but they don't know how to keep it. They don't understand taxes. They don't understand inflation. They don't understand how money really works. And that's why they work for money instead of letting money work for them. Rich people, they study money. They read books. They learn how to invest because they know wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. So if you want financial freedom, educate yourself. Because in the world of money, what you don't know will cost you. If you keep making these mistakes, spending more than you earn, not saving or investing early, ignoring financial education, then no matter how hard you work, you will always struggle. But if you start making changes, even small ones, one day, you'll wake up and realize you're no longer stressed about money. You're no longer trapped by debt. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Because now, money works for you instead of controlling you. So ask yourself, are you ready to change? Or will you stay stuck forever? The choice is yours.